We've spent like most of the morning packing our stuff. This is not what you think it is.
Oh, it's a pochuchi. See? Look nice, yeah, look nice.
Excited! Guys, so what you're looking at is a fire affected area. Wow! The beach! This is absolutely beautiful, breathtaking. Hi SV squad! So this is my first official day of leave. Aussie and I are officially on holidays. Yes, we are. I had a half day today and it was such an eventful day. We serviced Aussie's car and I went to work, but I accidentally left my wallet at work and I won't be back at work for another 10 days. So we're going to drive all the way back there to get it. It's about 30 to 40 minutes away. And yeah, we're going to drive all the way back there to get it. So yeah, Aussie and I are on holidays tomorrow. You guys will see where we're going. We just got back from BCF. We went to get some fishing stuff because we will be fishing. First time, so we got all the essentials, started from absolute scratch. So yeah, that's in the works. So that's your first hint. We're going somewhere where there's a beach. And I need to get my work pass. Gotta get my work pass. These are one of the things we got. Yeah, so I just took our fishing rods in. And Aussie just walked in. I don't know what he's going to do. But I'm so excited. You guys know that we have been really fiending for a holiday. And just literally a day after I booked our accommodation for this place that we're going to, I found out the day after that Queensland borders opened. I'm so annoyed because we could have gone somewhere up where Cairns is or somewhere there. Aussie's just there. Reeling his koringo. Hey, snack boy. We went to JJ's and Aussie was like, whoa, because his muscles are so big they didn't even fit in the awful.
Shut up.
Morning, guys. Oh my gosh, look at my lips. We've spent like most of the morning packing our stuff. This is not what you think it is. This is a psoriasis scar. Anyways, so we've spent most of the morning packing our stuff.
What black got me out?
Yeah, big.
Big. You should already be nickel.
Yeah. Yeah, so it was a psoriasis thing, and then I bought these steroids. I used it only twice, and this is what happened to it. But it did, what's the word? I can't remember the word. I will post it here if I remember. But yeah, that's what it did to it. So at the moment, we're just making our smoothies before we head off. So we got some banana, spinach, blueberries, strawberries. I put my collagen super blend in there and some chia seeds.
Yeah, what's up guys? Pochuchi. So just back up and ready to go. So I already packed all the stuff inside my ute back there. Oh, it's a pochuchi. You see? Look nice, yeah, look nice. Look beautiful.
Look at our street.
So yeah. Oh, I'll show it. See you guys on way to Sydney. Oh, not Sydney.
Alright guys, we finally finished pretty much cleaning up. I wanted a clean house when I came home. Watered my plants. I mean, except for that can stay there. Packed some snacks for the trip. Also my cod liver. And smoothie time. The lighting in here is terrible because we got our blinds closed. So we're pretty much on way now. Finished everything, finished our smoothies. Did you bring our toothbrushes? Cool. Yeah. You know, just here to pick up the essentials. Snacks on Uelese. This guy almost punched out Aussie.
Yeah!
No, he didn't. So he was so angry. Aussie was walking so slow. As soon as Aussie got out of the way, what in the world? They have dill pickle? That's crazy. So I'm gonna get this with Jats. Plug. Come on. So. Get full of bum or luck or inga. Come here. No, babes. No, that's stupid. No. Come. He's trying to go and move that Goinga's trolley to another spot. I'm not here for that. Snacks done. I'm excited to taste this. So we're going to Kayleen to say goodbye to the kitties. Here. Daniel goes to his mum on tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow Daniel leaves. So we won't see him for 2 weeks. But yeah, excited. That guy was so mad at you, Aussie. Okay, so I know it seems that like the vlogs are really short and choppy, but this is gonna be a big day for us. So I'm trying to get as much in as possible. Just came to say bye to everyone. Wow, no one's awake. Hey, mommy. Oh, mommy. We're going to the bay. Give me a hug.
Byron's Bay.
And it's not in Sydney, Mom.
I'm right.
No, it's not. It's far.
Papa.
Oh my gosh, guys, I don't know how much you can see of the mountains. I don't even know what mountains these are, but all above those mountains are all burnt trees all along here, and Aussie's trying to look too but not driving the car.
Oh, this guy's not gonna happen.
Oh, we'll take over. What you can't is Bionga. Yep, so these are definitely fire affected roads. Guys, so what you're looking at is a fire affected area here at Morton National Park. It's quite sad to see the effects of it. I don't think the extent of how big and how much was burnt is shown on camera, but there is so many. I can't even imagine what this would have looked like before. All you see is just the branches, but the good thing is that there's life finally coming back through the trees. Some of the trees that weren't burnt to crisp, there's leaves that's growing back, but pretty much all of what you're seeing is from the fires that happened in Australia last summer. And as we're leading into summer, hopefully we don't have the same fires, and hopefully the same corruption doesn't keep going on. I'm about to have a taste of these dill pickle crisps. This is what it looks like. Here it goes. I don't think it tastes. It's not bad, it just doesn't taste natural.
200 meters, turn left onto Owen Street.
Oh my god. that was so beautiful. Did you see that, babe?
So white.
The sand is so white. It does not feel like we have seen a beach. Our whole drive here, it was like not even a beach in sight.
In 300 meters.
Wow, I'm so looking forward to the food here. Wow, this is so nice. This is so nice. It's so good to see people out and about. Wow, the beach. The beach. It's so beautiful. Beach. Yeah, I know. That's why I chose it. Ow, see.
2.5 meters.
We've just parked our car here at the motel and we're just going for a walk because check-in time isn't until 2. But oh my gosh, look. This is so nice. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Just going for a walk to kill some time, maybe get some fish and chips. What do you think, Os?
Let's have a hook.
Snacky boy. Kakamak kayo. Nga lo nga may ila tent lang fakaw ma Christmas. Remember, I should have brought that tent. This is so beautiful. Say pulo waka. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely beautiful, breathtaking. We've been trying to find the entrance to go down to the pool where we saw those other guys, and Aussie's leading me down into bloody jungle. We're not the same. We don't have the same stamina, Aussie. The same physical stamina. Or is it stamina? Look, I don't even know. I should have put my jandals. Wow, this is so beautiful. I swear, we've been trying to look for jet skiing here. And apparently it's illegal in Jarvis. And you come here and you see all these people jet skiing. Oh, I can't even walk properly. Not the right shoes. These Moses sandals.
We're here at the beach, as you can see. It's so beautiful. All around there. And outside. Beautiful. Hey, so beautiful here. And it's hot, nice weather.
Yeah, it is nice.
But yes, fishy kero eat, kele fale fish and chips. Hola. Matang ofie le sami male matafanga. Oh, ngangai de la walu ke lama. Oh, eat the beach massage. What? Beach massage? Man, Naya, say any words?
It's very nice, very beautiful. The weather is nice, very nice here. Much more warmer than what we get in Canberra. And I'm hungry, so...
Yeah, we're going to get some food.
Yeah.
Mangi.
So
Stay tuned, guys. We offer
Oh, that's a nice house. It's only $3.75.
yeah, perfect. Kele fale ye pa I Travis Bay. Ngai ma sa fale ngai longo me de ya wa ko fa ka wo. Send me out a bit.
Let's go.
So yeah, we're going to have some food because we are so hungry.
So we finally sat down to eat. I got some chicken and chips.
And I got some fish and chips.
Fish and chips.
Yeah, fish and chips. So we're just finished having a lunch. Now we're just heading back to check in. Check in and ready for the day. And we do some stuff after check-in.
A few inches later.
Hey guys, so we're in our hotel. We didn't vlog for the rest of the day since the last scene you just seen. We went for a walk around the bay and sort of scouted out where we want to go fishing. Yes, we're going fishing. This will be my first time ever going fishing. So yesterday we went to BCF and bought some rods. This one's mine. So we're just setting up because we're gonna wake up really early in the morning, aren't we, Oz? So finally, guys, we finished setting these up. I just realized that I have a tiny hook and Aussie boy over here has a big one. Not sure what time we're gonna go, but Aussie still wants to go out. We've been out all day and I'm so tired.
I'm going up.
Going out where?
At the front.
Okay, guys, so we just, I feel like I'm a bit burnt, but I just finished having a shower, freshening up. My face is a little bit oily, but that's because I put some coconut oil on. And just because I like it, I like the way that it makes my face feel after it like settles in. But anyways, so we finished doing our rods and now we're going for a walk, another walk. Aussie's seriously putting me to work.
Just gonna have a nice walk and come back, sleep. Tomorrow is another day.
Yep, it's a beautiful night. So can you tell them what we think we're going to be doing tomorrow?
We're gonna go early in the morning for fishing and 10k walk.
Yep.
After that.
The White Sands 10k
White
walk.
Sand.
But also
Okay.
it's daylight saving, so we lose an hour or do we gain an hour?
Yep.
I never know how that works, but okay, so the first comment that I just saw is from May Taito. I don't think I've ever seen you comment before, but thank you so much, May. Shout out to you. She says, Vic, I'm so nervous. Aussie, we're a little nervous like a fellow interview. Honestly, enjoy watching your videos. XOX.
And the other one is I Nini Pualilo. Hey, guys, it's so nice to see you guys again. Victoria eats fruit of noodle salad. Anyways, thanks for this beautiful video. You guys still look beautiful and young. God bless and keep it up. Good work.
Aww.
Good on you. Thank you.
Thanks, Ainini.
We trying to put more videos for you guys. You know, you can see this is the good holiday for us.
And this is a bonus comment of the day that we're picking today, if it would focus. It's from Blessing S. Wiato. I think I'm saying that right. Clicked on the notification before it had time to breathe. Thank you so much, Blessing. We always see your comments. Keep it up, and we love you so much.